Let lawyers be lawyers. Let them do the things they want. They want to do legal work. They should be working with the clients, providing client service, doing their business development, and really focusing on those things. That's the best use of their highly, highly expensive time. Anything we can do to help would be great. So one of the firms I worked with in the Pacific Northwest had said, we are a white glove service firm. We have people in-house to do the things that the attorneys need done to free them up to take care of the clients. And I thought about this and I went, we are a white glove industry. If you think about it, we really are. And so let's embrace it. There's nothing wrong with that. We want them to provide white glove service to their clients. Why shouldn't we provide white glove service in the marketing and BD teams to our clients, the lawyers? So anything we can do to get them information when the attorneys need it. Let's figure out what reports do they need. Forget out of the box reports until you sit down with a group and figure out what they need and figure out, is it a dashboard they need? Is it a report delivered in email every Monday? The key is, for many firms, is a smart marketing technology coordinator, manager, even director, depending on the size, who can configure those reports and those dashboards and who can translate attorney requirements and needs into business requirements and sort of wrap the CRM around those and help solve these problems. Take the attorneys out of the picture, use that ERM system, provide them with the info that they need, and then also consider enhancing your data. There are a lot of systems now that have data feeds from D&B, from a lot of different places that can bring in business and industry and other types of information, revenue and size of organization, and time and billing integrations so that you can finally pull a client list. Sounds so easy. Why can't we pull a client list? My God, we paid all this money. We have all these people. We can't pull a client list. Well, nobody's ever tagged the clients. It sounds like it's easy, but it's not. It requires an integration. We want industries. Somebody's got to put them in. It's either got to be done manually or through one of these data feeds. The data feeds are great. They just get better, but understand they are expensive. They are ongoing subscriptions. There's a lot of cleanup work up front to match up the records, and the data is never going to be 100%. Some firms that have 1 million records that have to be cleaned, so you can't do it 100% manually. You start with an automated process, but it's only going to get you at best 70% there. The rest of it has to be done, with humans. It has to be checked. Same thing with this data. I don't necessarily recommend exposing it to the attorneys. Just use it in the marketing team because, in a law firm, right, the perfect is always the enemy of the good, right? If anything is wrong, the system is bad. But if you can actually pull a list of industry group clients, our energy clients for our energy seminar, at least you have a starting point. That's more than you had before. Before you had nothing. And now even if it's 70%, that's a pretty big improvement, but you have to keep it in perspective.